Y81 series products apply to steel mill, automobile dismantling, scrap recovery and processing industries, and ferrous and non-ferrous metallurgical industries. Driven hydraulically, the machine has two control modes of manual and PLC auto control. Capacity-wise, the series ranges from 63 tons up to 800 tons. Discharging is inside the pushing mode. Each pack weighs 350 kilograms. Y81T series side pushing packing machines have identical action sequence, varying only in pressing force and the size of material box and package. Y81 series of turning over and packing machines has identical movement flow, varying in pressing force and the material box and the size of packages. Machine type below 250 tons are in two package pushing modes of turning over and side pushing. As of now, 181Q series front discharging packing machine has two types of 200 tons and 135 tons. Tonnages range from 40 to 200 kilograms. Q43 series of alligator type of shearing machine. Q15 series of gantry type of shearing machine. Q43 series of alligator type of shearing machine chiefly applied to the metal recovery industry, scrapper, steel mantling, and the casting industry. The machine capacity ranges from 63 tons to 800 tons in 8 levels. Y83 series of hydraulic plating machine, cold press metal grains like cast iron, high class plants of graphite, nodular cast iron, alloy scraps, steel scraps, and bits of aluminum, and copper and others into cylindrical form of cakes. This machine features an upright structure with cast steel upper and lower beams, auto material feeding, auto package discharging, cooled by recycling water, and is operated by one person. It has nearly 1,000 users, both at home and abroad, and we are the only